there are already lots of videos of people unboxing their stuff. I've never made one, and for fun, I wanted to make my own unboxing video. So here I have just received my Tamron 70-300 VC lens. So I'm excited about unboxing it. Beauty. 6-year USA warranty. Nice graphics on the box, for whatever that's worth. Serial number information here. Serial number and model number. Instruction book. People never look at their instruction book when they do an unboxing. They just toss everything. So we're going to actually take a look at this paperwork here. Cautions when using the lens. This is written in Japanese. Here it is in multiple languages. Suggestions for better pictures with Tamron zoom lenses. And the, looks like the owner's guidebook here. Alright. Put this aside for now. Cardboard protectors. The lens packed in a cardboard egg crate sort of thing. Let's see how well it comes out. Comes out nice and easy. I believe from other videos I've seen there's something underneath in the bottom here. No, there's not. Well, that's interesting. Other videos had other paperwork in there, like desiccant and stuff. Now, maybe that's in here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Here's the desiccant. Okay. Here it is. Oh, this thing is heavy. What a beast. I love it. Lens hood. The lens. Protective tape on the window. This thing is beautiful. Feels good. Nice metal mount. Beautiful, clear. Nothing like a brand new lens, huh? Absolutely stunningly, perfectly clear and beautiful. Alright. Nice and smooth action. Oh yeah, the lens droop test does not droop at all. Solid. Beautifully finished. Lens hood. ribs inside to reduce reflection. It's got a guide mark for attaching. There we go. And it clicks into place. And here we are. This is really awesome. I can't wait to test it out. Alright. There's my first ever unboxing video. Whoopie-doo!